Welcome to the Virtual Assistant Creep channel, where we discuss everything on how to succeed as a skilled sought after virtual assistant. Okay, so thank you for watching my previous videos. To my new subscribers and old subscribers, I thank you. I see your efforts. I appreciate you. Thank you. So today I'm going to be talking about how to get clients for you to volunteer, how to get volunteer roles or internship roles as a beginner with no experience. I'm going to be teaching us on how to go about that. So the first step today is you niching down. Define your volunteer offer and your target organization. Now you need to niche down. You need to have one or two skills. Identify your core skills. You don't need to be everywhere. I always tell my students, you don't need to be everywhere. If you can offer two services, or even one as a beginner, it depends on you. No need to be here, and there. You won't be able to grow like that. Offer one or two core services or core skills, yes, that you know that you have. Let's say you can ask yourself, what can you do realistically right now? Yes, what can you offer for free? What services do you think you can really do well? You get, let's say for example, you know how to do basic data entry, scheduling social media posts, using platforms like Buffer, Hootsuite, and later. Also, you know how to do simple research, organizing files, and so on and so forth. Just try to discover the right skills that you have that you can offer. And you should, what are you willing to learn quickly? You want to apply for internship, you want to apply for volunteer roles. What are you willing to learn quickly? You should know that. You should show eagerness that, oh, you are not going to waste the client's time. You are a fast learner. Very good skill for virtual assistant. Virtual assistant should be fast learners, because as you continue to work as a VA, you meet different clients, and you're able to. It is good if you easily adapt, if you easily learn tools, if you are a fast learner, it will help you a lot. So you have to open your mind, go with an open mind, so it will be easy for you, to hit your goal. Go with an open mind. I always tell my students, go with an open mind, so it will be easy for you to get what you are looking for. Now, choose your target clients. You are not here to work for everybody. You have a set target client that you want to work for. You have a set type of client that you want to work for. It's either you're working for non-profit, you're working for entrepreneurs or solopreneurs or coaches, or you're working for small business owners or startup. So you have to choose. So you know how to do what? To narrow your search. You have to choose. So you know how to narrow your search down to those clients that you are looking out for. Then I would advise you also craft a volunteer package. It is very, 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 very important. Now, what kind of tasks will you offer to do, or are you willing to do? It should be in your volunteer package. You need to be concrete. Tell them, I can help you with your admin tasks. I can help you with email inbox arrangement or management, calendar management. I can do that for you. You know how to manage social media, like scheduling social media posts, creating posts. You know how to respond to your clients' followers or customers on their social media handle. So you can put that in your client package. So when you are sending out emails or cold emailing these clients, they should know that this is what you are willing to do. This is what you are willing to offer. So state it there. It should be clear. Now, also add your availability. It's very important. Let them know that, I'm willing to offer you 5 hours in a week. I'm willing to offer you 10 hours in a week. This time to this time. State it there. Let it be clear. On your volunteer package. State your goal. This is why I'm coming to you. This is what I want to get while working with you as volunteers. State it there. They should know. they should know that this is what you want and this is what you are willing to do for them as well. It is very, very important. Tell them your goals and objective. Now, you should have a proof of potential and network strategically. So how do I mean you having that? Have sample work. I always hit on it. Get portfolio. You don't even need to start working for someone before you get portfolio. You've gone through trainings. You know what VAs they do. Now, go to start creating personal projects. Open your email. Rearrange your inbox to inbox 0. Snap them. Go to Canva. Put it there. Then go to your social media account. Create posts. Make those posts. Put it there. Take it to your snap it and take it to your Canva and create portfolio. Other even data entry. Go to your Google Sheet, create put in some information or some data there, snap it, upload it to Canva and create what? Portfolio. I'm going to be dropping a video on how to create portfolio using Canva. You can also create a landing page for your business. You can also do that on Canva as well. Always, you can do that there too. You understand? Create sample work, which are your portfolio. That will help when you send out email. You add it to it. So when they open your email and read through, they go to your portfolio. And when they see what you've done previously, they are convinced that, oh, this person can do this. And they bring you in. You might not be perfect. Working with them will build your perfection. Now, also share some of all this your work. Share them on social media. For example, LinkedIn is a professional website. A professional social media site where you can connect with business owners, connect with so many people from different walks of life. Even your target audience, they are there. Your target clients, they are there. Keep creating posts on what you do, on your services. Sell yourself on LinkedIn. You will get DMs. Personally, I get DMs for me to work with them. I get DMs. Oh, I see you do this. I see you do that. Can you do this for me? We are looking for this particular VA. Are you available? Can you share your availability with me? Connect with people. Network. Tell your brother, your sister, your friends, your former colleague, family members. Tell them this is what I'm into now. And I'm looking for a volunteer. Let me help you to do this. When you do it, snap screenshots and use it as your portfolio. Join communities online, Facebook communities, join them, especially those that are in your niche. Let's say real estate group. Join real estate group on Facebook and start networking. Sell yourself there. This is what you do. This is what you are willing to do. This is the amount you charge. Say it. Nobody will harm you. You are trying to sell your skills so that they will know that this is who you are. You get? Do that. Now, while you are on those channels trying to sell yourself, send DMs as well. Send DMs to them. Now, you can also use, there are some tools that you can use to generate business owners, their emails, their contact details. Now, you can go to those tools, which I'm going to make a video on how you can go about that. Go to those tools and use them, get their emails, code email them, send them code emails. My first clients actually was from cold email. Even my first volunteer when I started out was from cold email. Do it. It works. It works. Yes, it works. I'm a testament of that. So it works. I always advise it. Do it. Send cold emails. Send follow-up until you get a response. Even if they tell you stop, at least you know that somebody saw your email and responded. That's a positive sign. Then you continue. Don't give up until you get what you want. Follow up. Send follow up consistently. But don't annoy people with your messages anyway. Don't annoy people with your messages. You get? So whatever message you are sending, you need to be polite and professional with whatever message you're sending. Respect people's order. They might tell you, stop sending me emails. I don't need, take me off your subscriber list or your email list, stuff like that. You get, once you get that, you just stop. You know they don't want you. Why some will even tell you, oh, can we schedule a call? What's your availability? You tell them, this is my availability. I'll be free this time. You get on a call, and when you get on a call, you need to have confidence. Very important. Have confidence, so that you can be able to do what? Defend all you have been saying, on your chart, all you've been writing, all those things you compile, those portfolio. You need to defend them. And it's not hard, let me tell you, especially trying to land foreign clients. They are the easiest people to go on interview with. I must tell you that. They are the easiest people. They are straight to the point. This is what I want. This is what I need. How can you help me do this? Can you do this? Can you do that? Good. So, just try, follow all the steps that I've said, and you're good to go. So thank you so much for watching to the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.